you'll see that I live in a world with kids and dirt and poop, piss. Hi, I'm Elizabeth, and welcome back to another honest review. How do you know it's honest? Because that's honest. The algorithm loves these review videos, and you guys keep liking them. I'm gonna keep making them. And this is the reason of why we needed a solution for a problem for today's review. I'm not a problem. She is just such a perfect little baby from the shelter. But I did a lot of research on vacuum cleaners that had the shampooing, and I ultimately went with the Hoover, what is it, smartwash? Whatever that thing says. You can see it in the corner over there, which is linked down below. I got mine personally off Amazon, and this is how it went. As luck would have it, I wanted this. It was on the list. It was in the cart. I was waiting for the sales, and then we adopted a new dog who decided to piss everywhere, so worked out. We're gonna see how nasty these floors are. We're gonna start in my kid's room because she has pissed in here 3 times. She being the new dog, not my children, from what I know of. I don't know, should I regular vacuum first? I'm gonna regular vacuum first. I don't know what I should do, because dog hair and stuff, so I'm gonna regular vacuum. The pee is not wet. I think it's safe to do that, so I'm gonna start that. Best feature about this vacuum, the only reason I got it, pour the rewind. Let's see that good juice. Look at all that. We're gonna start over here and work around. I remembered a while ago, my girl had a big throw up explosion. Projectile, it was terrible. It all went over here, and I had the spot cleaner at that time, which that's how I learned it made a mess. I think it was his last time. Why I like this one was because I don't have to pour the stuff in. In my little Bissel spot clean, I had to pour like a cap full into the thing. This, you just fill up the water and you fill up the solution, and it automatically dispenses. I like that. I don't think I'm doing this right. What am I supposed to do? Hold on, I gotta know. I don't know how to use this. All right, let's hope I don't F this up. I was supposed to pull the trigger. I was not triggering. Push forward, trigger. You should be pulling that trigger handle to release the solution while you're going forward once, and then while you're going back once, and then after that, you let go of that, and then you just use the vacuum to then clean up all the solution. It's 3:44. Got about 5 minutes till I need to go pick up my kid. See what I can get done in 5 minutes. And we are back from pickup. I think my cleaning tank is empty. I got pretty much the whole space I was going for. I was just gonna get this little spot and then go back over where I was standing for most of it. But let's go empty out this water. For reference, you can expect that this vacuum is going to give you about a half. This is a normal size bedroom. I do not know how many square feet, probably a couple hundred. It's not very large, but it's also not small. You're gonna be able to get one walkable area of a normal room on one sweep of this. I know I need to clean this in my kitchen sink, but this is white, so that way you can see how nasty it is. It's all for you. Can't even blame it on the pee. That's just nasty dirt. I honestly don't know why it's so satisfying to know that we're just filthy animals, because every time I see these videos, I love watching them. Everybody loves seeing how nasty they are. Why do we like this? I think we like that we're getting rid of it, but we've been living in it anyway. Notes, whenever you refill the thing, there was plenty of enough solution, even though it used all the water. So if you fill the solution all the way up to the fill line, that is not per use. That's like for multiple uses. And then now I am going over the floor with the rinse feature, which means it only puts water on the floor. It's not needed, but it's recommended if you're wanting to just make sure you get all the residue. And I'm so glad I did, because look at this. Based on how much soap that pulled up, it definitely needed a little rinse. All I did was clean the rocking chair, and I was tired. The rocking chair needed to be cleaned. It had some stains on it, and this is how big it is. It is an oversized. It's a size and a half. You can't really super tell from this angle, but it's like 1.5 for 2 children. And here's the dirty water. Ugh. Not like the worst, but also not the best. All right, don't open them. Cleaned the couch. Open your eyes. This was from the couch.
Oh. That's disgusting.
That's all the residuals stay in.
As you can tell from my outfit in the video, no, I don't wear Christmas things all the time. That's how long it takes me to edit things. But as for my review, 10 out of 10 recommend. This was 100% worth my money. It was better that it was on sale, but honestly, the sale price wasn't much far off from the original price or current price, I guess. Yeah, everything's always on sale, you know. But in the past month, I have already used this so many times because I have 2 dogs and 2 children who are ridiculously messy. If you want something that is affordable and will get the job done, this is absolutely for you. I love the fact that the water and the solution blends itself, so you just need to fill up the cavity. And if you don't fill it up all the way, it's fine. It's still gonna blend the way it needs to blend. Also, you should probably do the instructions because I didn't. And it has a handy dandy little vacuum, as you see featured in the futon and on the couch. I've yet to use it on my car, but I would love to do that because that's what I used my other one, which was a compact. It was only the little stick thing. In conclusion, if you've watched too many cleaning videos like I have, I don't know what the algorithm is saying about me, saying I'm nasty. I am nasty. This is the vacuum for you, and I recommend it. If you like this video, thumbs it up, and thanks for watching.